How does phone repairability score affect phone lifespan? Breaking news for smartphone users. A hot topic right now is how the repairability score of your phone can impact its lifespan. If you are curious about how this affects your device, you are in the right place. With many people keeping their phones longer, understanding repairability has never been more relevant. The repairability score measures how easily a phone can be fixed. Phones with higher scores are typically designed for easier repairs, allowing users or technicians to replace parts like batteries and screens. This design choice can significantly extend a phone's lifespan. Phones that have modular designs or accessible components often score higher on repairability. This means users can replace damaged parts without needing special tools or expertise. Such designs encourage users to keep their phones longer, which can help reduce electronic waste. Repairing a phone is often more affordable than buying a new one. If the damage is limited to one component, users can save money and keep their devices running. This cost-effectiveness can lead to longer phone usage. The environmental impact of extending a phone's lifespan is also noteworthy. By repairing rather than replacing, consumers can help minimize electronic waste. This shift supports more sustainable practices in technology consumption. Additionally, phones with high repairability scores encourage users to learn about maintenance and repair. This engagement leads to better care and handling of devices, further contributing to a longer lifespan. Manufacturers that focus on repairability often provide better warranty and support options. This can help ensure that any issues are addressed quickly, contributing to a longer lifespan for the phone. In summary, the repairability score of a phone plays a significant role in determining its lifespan. It influences design, cost, environmental impact, user engagement, and manufacturer support. As more consumers become aware of these factors, the demand for repairable phones is likely to increase.